Hi Vatsa, welcome to our YouTube channel Creative Letter. So let's go. Red color. A. A is for apple. Yellow color. B. B is for ball. Green color. C. C is for cat. Blue color. D. D is for dog. Orange color. E. E is for elephant. Blue color. F. F is for fish. Orange color. Z. Z is for gorilla. Brown color. H. H is for hen. Black color. I. I is for ice cream. Blue color. Z. Z is for juice. Silver color. K. K is for cat. Yellow color. L. L is for lion. Green color. M. M is for mango. Red color. N. N is for nest. Pink color. O. O is for orange. Green color. P. P is for paste. Orange color. Q. Q is for queen. Magenta color. R. R is for rabbit. Yellow color. S. S is for sheep. Blue color. T. T is for tiger. Black color. U. U is for umbrella. Brown color. V. V is for van. pink color. W is for Watermax. Yellow color. Hi-Ketsa. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Bye kids.